Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the oven safety valve in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Use channel lock pliers and a 9/16" wrench to unthread the nut securing the gas supply tube to the safety valve. Next, fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Slide out the oven racks. Use a flathead screwdriver to unthread the 2 rear screws, securing the oven's bottom panel. Lift the panel up from the back to remove. Using a 3/8" socket or nut driver, unthread the nut to release the burner shield. Detach the igniter wires from the oven safety valve terminals. Unthread the 2 mounting screws to release the burner tube and set the tube aside. Next, unthread the screw in the front securing the valve mounting bracket to the base. Slide the bracket forward to remove the old safety valve. Install the new oven safety valve by aligning the mounting bracket, then slide the bracket into the slots in the base. Thread the front screw. Realign the burner tube on the safety valve orifice and frame, then thread the screws. Attach the igniter wires to the safety valve terminals. Realign the burner shield and rethread the nut. Reinstall the bottom panel by aligning the front edge first. Rethread the 2 rear screws. Replace the oven racks. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Returning to the rear of the appliance, thread the nut to secure the gas supply tube to the oven safety valve. Avoid over-tightening the nut. Move the appliance back against the wall. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.